So what's up, guys? This is part 2 of turning $200 into $1,000, and as you can see right here, these were our we took this trade last time and we gained $100. Okay, we gained $100. Okay, so now for now I'm gonna be selling Euro USD. Okay, let me explain why I'm entering for sales. Okay, so we go on a 4-hour time frame. All right, we go on a 4-hour time frame. There is a based drop over here. Okay, this is a supply zone. Okay, and as you can see, the market has been reacting to it right now, and as you can see, this is our drop. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is our base right here. Okay, and that's why the market is reacting to it. So since it's a based drop, we had to come back with a retest, and we're gonna be pulling a lot of profits from this. Okay, so guys, we come back with the retest, and guys, let's just wait and see how the market reacts. Okay, we expect the market to drop to this level. Okay, we have news coming up. I don't want to be caught in this. Okay, in 2 hours. Okay, but yes guys, so I want to make a lot from this. Okay, I wanna go crazy. Okay, so if you wanna use the broker I'm using, guys, link in the description. Okay, link in the description. You use my link down below, you get $30 bonus, okay, off signing up. And if you don't want to register with that, it's fine with me. Okay, because when you use that link, I might gain something from it. Okay, all right guys.
A few moments later.
So what's up, guys? We have news in like 30 minutes, and I don't want to risk my account. Okay, as you can see, our positions were triggered. Okay, I think I'm gonna be closing right now, guys. Let me close with $56. Okay, oops. Okay guys, so I have closed with $51. Okay, so for now guys, today it was our big day, but we have news coming in 20 minutes.
A few moments later.
Many hours later.
So what's up, guys? We have a setup on gold. Okay, and I'm gonna be buying gold. Okay, so guys, why am I taking this trade? Okay, why am I taking this trade? Let's go on line chart. Okay, as you can see, guys, there is a demand zone over here. Okay, we have a demand zone over here. Using line chart, you can spot this, guys. Okay, you can spot this, but if you're using candlesticks, you can't spot this. All right, so make sure if you do not understand something, you use line chart. Okay, So we have a Quasimodo over here, okay? We have a Quasimodo, and the market is gonna be reacting to it, okay? So we have a head over here. Okay, let me go back to my line chart. Okay, we have a Quasimodo. This is the head over here. Okay, this is the head. Okay, so okay, let me show you. All right, I want to be transparent, okay, as possible. So as you can see here, there was a drop, best drop. Okay, we came back here another time. The market failed to break this low. Okay, the market failed to break this low. So guys, we came back, we retest this zone and we fly. Okay, so now we came back with another retest. I'm sure gold is gonna fly. Okay, so we're gonna be scalping 20 to 30 pips. Okay, and after our goal, you remember our goal is 200 to 1000. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. And yeah guys, and I'm gonna be holding this position. Okay, for now the price has to go up. Okay, so guys, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. And
A few moments later.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be closing half my position. Okay, I'm gonna be closing half my position, and I'll hold until this zone. Okay, if we hit SL, no problem. I'm gonna be taking a half. Okay, I'm gonna be taking a half. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Let me close. Okay, let me close. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be holding only these positions. Okay, I'm gonna be holding this position only. Okay, and guys, that's pretty much it guys. That's pretty much it. We are around 70 pips. Okay, I think I'm gonna close full guys. I'm gonna close full. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. We are at around 700. Okay, we are at around 700 right now. And guys, let me close. Okay, I'm gonna be closing. Boom, there you go. There you go guys. I didn't go anywhere. I haven't went anywhere. And we are reaching our TP guys. Okay, we are reaching our TP. Okay, gold is going crazy. Boom, let's go guys, let's go. We are, boom guys, we go crazy. Boom, let's go guys, let's go. One take, boom. We hit our take profit guys, 800. Okay, 800. I'm closing right now. Okay, I'm closing. Boom guys, we are at 800 guys, 800. Okay, 800.
2 hours later.
So guys, I spotted another setup. Okay, after gold fly, I spotted another setup on GBP AUD. Okay, so guys, let me enter my positions right now, and I will be telling you why I am entering for buys. Okay, I think that's enough, right? So guys, the account is big enough so it can accumulate a lot of positions. Okay, so our target is gonna be around here. Okay, we're gonna be holding for a little while, okay, until we hit 1000. Okay, but for now guys, let me show you why I entered. Okay, I will give you reasons why I entered. Okay, so I spotted an X setup. Okay, this was X setup. Okay, let me mark it for you right here. Okay, Alright guys, so we have our demand zone already. Okay, we have another demand zone area around here. Oops, we have our demand zone around here. Okay, so this is the X setup. Alright, so guys, the reason why I entered this trade is that we have already broke resistance. Okay, we broke resistance here already. Okay, and we came back with a retest. Okay guys, hope you understand this. The X setup, this is the point of interest. As you can see guys, right here, this is our point of interest. Okay, we saw a breakout, okay, and a proper retest, you can see, and we broke out again. So we expect the market to push up to this level up here. Okay, and this is why I entered. Okay, and on top of that, we have a bullish engulfing. Okay, we have a bullish engulfing around here, as you can see. Okay, this is a 2-hour bullish engulfing. Okay, you can see we have retested it already. Okay, hope you can see it, but this is a bullish engulfing guys. Okay, I'm gonna add some more positions with the 0.5 lot. Okay, 0.5. okay, the goal is 1,000 guys. The goal is 1,000. Okay,
A few inches later.
okay, it's been 2 hours since I hold this trade, since I have been holding this motherfucking trade. So guys, that's pretty much it guys. Okay, that's pretty much it. And yeah, we hit our goal. Tell me in the comment section which challenge to do next. Okay, and yeah guys, that's pretty much it guys. We closed with 1,000. Okay, and I'm gonna be withdrawing this money guys. Okay, I'm gonna be withdrawing this money. All right, and pretty much guys, that's about it. Okay, that's about it. As you can see, it's a rare account guys, it's a rare account. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. And I wish I can see you in the next video, I guess. And that's pretty much guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on that post notification, because I post like every other day. You feel what I'm saying? So that's pretty much guys.